The following announcement is from SP Corporation and its legal affiliates. It is intended for the audience of the defendant in the pursuant matter who will henceforth be referred to as, quote, Ray, end quote. Quote, Ray, end quote, has been problematic concerning the inquiry and obtainment of information regarding the development of property, construction and operation of joy-based businesses for the express purpose of jubilant children and well-fed adults for and by SP Corporation. Quote, Ray, end quote, has unlawfully procured and shared information regarding, but not limited to, unaffiliated radio stations, star-shaped joy hats, personal voice messages pertaining to shovel repair, arcades and/or starcades, robot-operated saloons, socks befitting cacti, self-actualizing arcade cabinets, skin, second and otherwise, shape-shifting, phone-based meteor delivery applications, space exploration and space-related theorization, ambiguous smiley face logos, and any other confidential materials that shall remain secret. In addition to, quote, Ray's, end quote, inaccurate French translations, the perpetrator has broken doctor-patient confidentiality by sharing, quote, patient aids, end quote, personal information in the form dictation notes intended for the sole purpose of the attending physician. Furthermore, quote, Ray's, end quote, unauthorized collaboration with an individual known only as, quote, advertisement guy, end quote, is particularly offensive to SP Corporation. In regard to the above referenced matters, quote, Ray, end quote, is instructed to cease and desist all further inquiries, postulations, posits, presuppositions, assertions, wanton allegations, and reckless speculative guesswork, effective immediately, under the threat of a lifetime ban from entering SP-owned properties and its affiliates. Quote, Ray, end quote, is hereby informed that the information that he has shared is false and defamatory and did not go unnoticed. Have a day as bright as a starbeam.